Today I made butter chicken and am sharing recipe with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Chicken marination. Chicken, 1 kilogram. Yogurt, 1 cup. Cream, ½ cup. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Red chili peppers, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Marinate for 1 hour. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Onion paste preparation. Desi ghee, 1 cup. Melt it. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Chopped onions, 1 cup. Chopped tomatoes, 1 cup. Mix it. Cover and cook on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Blend well until smooth paste. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cream plus milk mixture, 1 cup. Mix it. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Marinated chicken. Like, share, and subscribe. Cover and cook on low flame until chicken is tender or for 12 to 15 minutes. Cook on high flame until it dries up. Share with family and friends. Cook chicken adding creamy mixture. Mix well, cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Green chilies, 1 2. Dry fenugreek, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Cover and simmer on low flame for a minute. It's ready. Garnish with butter, green chilies, and lemon.